Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today in this video, I bring some latest and beautifully decorated ideas of colorful gardening ideas to decorate your house or gardens, whether it can be indoor or outdoor, with the most unique and amazing gardening tips that I will bring for you all to make your garden decorations or gardening ideas more beautiful or elegant by creating these sort of unique concepts to it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and would love to create them. In this video, I bring some latest tips for you all to decorate your garden or make your gardening ideas more pleasant or beautiful by adding these sort of unique concepts to your gardening ideas. You can use different wooden palettes or pots can also be created or used to decorate your gardens with the most unique and amazing ideas that nobody will create or think about it that in the way in a way you want to customize your gardening ideas. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these ideas, whether to decorate your balcony gardening ideas or you can create some indoor wooden palettes or planter decoration ideas, or you can make your garden decorations by using different container gardening ideas, or some small wooden pallets can also be created by hanging different pots on these, or some recyclable crafty ideas can also be created on these sort of ideas, or combining it with some unique crafts. You can use different recyclable ideas like tiles can be used to create for different planter decorations. Plastic bottles can be converted into different shapes, or some jars can also combine together in a different and unique idea. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me to bring some latest or creative ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.